Back pain doesn't just hurt your back, it interrupts your life. It stops you from playing with your kids, ruins your golf swing, and makes even simple car rides feel like a marathon. If you've tried pills, heat pads, or just waiting it out without success, there might be a better way to tackle the root cause. Today we're talking about a technology that's changing the game for chronic spine issues, the DRX 9000. Before we talk about the solution, let's look at what's actually happening inside your spine. Think of your spine as a stack of blocks with jelly donuts in between them. These donuts are your discs, and they act like shock absorbers. Over time, gravity and wear and tear take a toll. This leads to conditions you might heard of, like degenerative disc disease, where the discs dry out and shrink, herniated or bulging discs, where the inside of the donut pushes out, spinal stenosis, which is a narrowing of the spaces within your spine, and sciatica or nerve pain, and that's that sharp zap you feel when a disc presses on a sensitive nerve. Even spinal arthritis can make movement stiff and painful. When these discs are compressed, they can't heal. They're starved of nutrients and oxygen, and that's where the pain comes from. Enter the DRX 9000. It's not just a fancy table, it's a non-surgical spinal decompression system designed specifically to address that compression that we just talked about. Now here's where the magic happens. The DRX 9000 gently stretches the spine, but it doesn't just pull. It uses advanced sensors to pull at the exact angle needed to target your specific injured disc. This gentle stretching creates a vacuum effect inside the disc, and the negative pressure does two incredible things. It pulls the bulging or herniated material back into place, taking pressure off the nerves. It also floods the disc with water, oxygen, and nutrients, which are essential ingredients needed for healing. And the best part? It's comfortable. Most patients find the treatment so relaxing they actually fall asleep during the session. While the DRX 9000 is powerful, we know that true healing often needs a team approach, and that's how we don't just treat the disc with decompression, we treat you, the patient. We often combine decompression with chiropractic care to ensure proper alignment, massage therapy to relax tight muscles, and shockwave therapy to stimulate blood flow. For more difficult cases, we also utilize cutting-edge options like regenerative medicine and prolozone therapy to further accelerate tissue repair. It's a full-body strategy to get you back on your feet faster. You don't have to live with chronic back pain. If you're dealing with bulging discs, sciatica, or degeneration, the DRX 9000 might be the answer you've been looking for.